Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Chrysler Pacifica S. This is a brand new mobility van. It's got two key fobs. You can operate the power sliding doors, touch of a button with either key fob, and the power trunk latch. It's got the rear entry manual ramp. I like these because they are easy to operate, they are low cost to maintain, and they are much wider than the side entries. You can see I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. It's got a handle on the driver's side, a handle on the passenger side, and look here. Spring assisted, I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can do one of these ramps with ease. The ramp itself is about 34.5 inches wide. It does taper down to about 33.25 there at the base. Most of the side entries are only 30 inches wide, so this gives you quite a bit more room than a side entry. And the depth in here, it's about 106 inches. This is deeper than the Dodge Caravan. This is deeper than the Sienna. So if you're going to want to haul up to 2 wheelchairs at a time or a gurney, this gives you a lot more room. It's got 8 tie down points to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time or gurney or stretcher, as I mentioned. Got your little charging port back there. It's got plenty of cup holders in the rear. Got the headliner. We can also add a bench seat back here if we need to make it haul 6 plus a wheelchair. Between those front two seats is about 21 inches of room. If you need more room to slide additional chair up further, we can put jump seats in here to make it more narrow. We can put flip base seats to flip up on their side. Just tell us what you need. Help us configure the van to meet your needs. It's got the rear air controls. Very nice center console. It's got the nice stitching in all the interior. Like I said, brand new van. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Has the backup camera. That's just plastic on there. There's nothing wrong with the screen. Dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics or phones or anything like that. And let's say you're going to use this van, you want to use it for a taxi cab, and you don't want those power doors opening up all the time. What you can come over here and do, you can shut all the doors from these controls here, but you can also turn them off. And now they're all manual doors, so slide shut just like a manual door. Won't put wear and tear on those door motors. To put everything back, we do give you a free set of pull tight tie downs, brand new Q straight tie downs. You can see I can lift the ramp with just one finger there. Latch it down, and you're ready to go. I have these on manual right now, so I can just reach up and shut this door. Of course, it's got a button inside there if you want to do electric. I'm going to slide all these shut. So has the original sticker in it, brand new sticker in it. You can see the total price of one of these at the Dodge dealer would be $36,335. Now, that's without a conversion. We've put a conversion on this vehicle. Obviously, we're selling it for way under the competition. Usually $10,000 to $15,000 less than the competition. The reason we do that, people always ask, how do you sell them for so much less than the competition? Well, the reason is we're not trying to make $20,000 a van. We want to make a living, we want to make money, but we want to do it the right way and not take advantage of people. So got these real nice alloy wheels, 18 inches. Got the new Bridgestone tires on it, of course. So these vans are just, they look so sharp. It's not your standard minivan. These are actually very stylish, very sleek. Stitching in the jump seats there, or in the rear seats. It's got a power driver seat. And the VIN number will vary, of course, on which vehicle you buy. Call us, find out what we have in stock. We've got many different colors. Like I said, 2 keys, got the owner's manual. It's got the push button start. This particular model, has 11 miles on it. It's got the backup camera like I mentioned. Comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty on the chassis, a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion, and a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. So top to bottom, front to back, this van is covered. And when you talk to the competition, everyone's going to say that their conversion is better. I get it, it's a salesman's job. But I want to let you know, our conversion has a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on it. The competition has a 3-year 36,000 mile warranty. Theirs stops at 36,000 miles. Ours goes to unlimited. So you tell me who has the better conversion. Let me pop the hood here so you can check out the engine. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine, plenty of power for passing, for getting around people. Plenty to get it up if you need it, but very smooth running. I am not going to take this on the highway because it's brand new. I want to keep the miles down for the future owner. Underneath you can see everything on this van is brand new. It's never been registered. Also comes with a $1,000 rebate from Dodge. So once you get your title, that'll come with the vehicle. You can send that in. It takes about 6 weeks to get the rebate, the $1,000, but yes, it does come with the $1,000 rebate. Also keep in mind, we do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone. We can send one to your email, whatever's easiest for you. And to see our entire inventory, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you have any questions or want to make an appointment, please always make an appointment if you can. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If text messaging is easier for you, give me a text message. 316-518-4377. That's my cell phone. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to talk to the competition. I want you to ask them if you can have the owner's cell phone number. Are they committed to customer service and customer satisfaction enough to give you the owner's cell phone number? Give it a shot. Let me know what they say about that. Also keep in mind, when you talk to the competition, you're dealing with a used car salesman. I am the owner of this company. I'll be here 5 years from now. I'll be here 10 years from now. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to do the business with the owner, give me a call, Jeremiah. And as always, thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.